Enti Sam George enya me score baby obia no. Wonya me score onire ni tamu oni Okudzeto Ablakwa. Ena John Drawing Mahama so far as our operation cover all loot air concern. Ghana for no abebuza question say where is Ora? Ora na 2024 to be year December na ending for ye hu dede ana Ora ye ba be chemo Ora ba be say Ora ba be say Ora no ekosi say Ghana for abe clash with Sam George and Ablakwa am bia kwaso Mahama so be mo nkyere mu no akere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section I Penyah block media me so say need mu obe like video no other mo subscribe button so na be click notification icon for latest updates am be kere wa adwen ama me e wo comment section best also baso no ahye me so anya bi ahwe obe ka 24 to be wie ye during the transition process no any who say and this one form ya be friend Ora that is operation recover all loot is the only believe say the previous government no some of the appointees looted the countries omu bo man no kro no do man no omu wi oman no etin omu retrieve ade na omu wi aye no omu retrieve ni nyina aba emu form a committee as a committee no e just 8-member committee ana honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa enei oye foreign affairs minister no ono ene chairperson as na Lea Martin pebu mu nyina ewo mu just na wo na team ewo na squad ewo team no pa the 6 or the 5-member team no na squad ewo ma ogoro fu ema na NDC for no die dede ema even so many MP before no Asia for interviewer they say MP before no ebusa question on Ora they say NDC for no ye dede say oh musuro
you are uncomfortable. What's the discomfort about? You are uncomfortable because you are seeing Martin Kpebu there who has who has expressed deep commitment to going after the likes of Cecilia and the part that you want to keep $1 million under their bed and wrote love letters to them. That's why you're uncomfortable. You're uncomfortable because you can see the Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa, the Interceptor General, who has for the past 8 years exposed all your activities, including the dealings on the National Cathedral. That is why you are uncomfortable. You are uncomfortable because for the past 8 years, you condoned the thievery, where under President Kufuor, his daughter within the span of that 8 years alone has registered more than 50 companies. And those 50 companies, most of them were involved in shady deals like the ambulance spare parts scandal. We need people to volunteer information on that. If you are uncomfortable with that, you are condoning the loot.
February no. Anyone say Ablakwa ebe man a final statement on Ora na no ana Ablakwa e ka kire Ghana former yeti ase say asset under the previous government appointees ni be ewi aye no as omu atimi atwatwa omu attrack no se omu gini nyina ebetimi ama oman no $20.9 billion
by way of quick numbers, and these are very important numbers. We received 1,493 calls through the toll-free line, 1,493. We also received 924 emails. Fortunately, all of these calls are recorded automatically, and all the emails have also been preserved for verification and validation. So in total, the number of complaints received amounts to 2,417. So those who had any doubt about how relevant and how timely the president's intervention was at the time, this is your evidence. 2,417 complaints received. Where will all of these people have gone if President Mahama had not set up the oral preparatory team? So President Mahama has been vindicated. It was a masterstroke. It was the right decision for our country, and it has deepened transparency and accountable governance. Over the last 53 days, we have reviewed these petitions. 44 were received directly from civil society organizations and other public-spirited citizens. 59 of the 230 cases reviewed containing the documents we'll be submitting today were cases that had come up during the period the NDC was in opposition. But we decided to go back to those matters and carry out a detailed review. And all of those are contained. So today we will be presenting a summary of these reports, 230 of them which have been analyzed in greater detail. Your Excellency, we also want to bring to your attention that even before we move to phase 2 of oral, which is going to focus on the actual recoveries, the actual retrievals, we have identified 10 initial benefits of oral, and we want to run through them quickly. We want to conclude with some fascinating figures. The 36 cases that we have reviewed in detail, if we are successful in recoveries, we can retrieve as much as 20.49 billion United States dollars. 20.49 billion United States dollars. 36 cases. Then we've also done an estimate of the state capture, the lands. If we successfully ask people to pay conservative market value for the lands they have looted, again, the experts are telling us that we can recover about 702.8 million United States dollars. Potentially, we can raise about 21.19 billion United States dollars. And that is far more than what we have been chasing the IMF for.
Ablakwa say, "Ora, able to recover an amount of $20.9 billion, but still, yanam ejeje bosia." Anabakia, Sam George Ebeka say, "Oh, omunim, hey, omu track record, make for Tracy baby sikebia fire or no Sam George, hey, omu po team nemra obedi animu, or no any baby sikebia fire, and obetimi a guide abwa, ama account be sikebia fire, it wakwa project ediaba, but eba yeno, yente she, nese, abeye fragadam. Call to their jabubu, abeye 419, or say settings government. And no na comedians with your money. Sam George, any Ablakwa, any Mahama, Ablakwa.
Say ye di o mind sa sebu o mind anase ye bibi fa boa o mind no. Near the sika eka ho a. You need to account for those things. It may me one person I always call say so obi abetna o mind so na we digane sika ana we digane dream e wo say ye de ne efa emra kwan so na ye gi sika na se ye wi a se wo say emra no so twena so emra no ye den e twena so me pa mo ache wo ye to aba ne wie ye no BBC ano mo frɛ no ora me pa to where are they and what has happened to woman 7 na omo kan bebrebe no. People were singing like parrots in this country, making all kind of allegations here and there. Where are the aura? And what has become of them? I want to know. Maybe I show a video this here, take and watch.
I can tell you on authority, I said this yesterday on another platform where I was with Honorable Andy Apiakubi. We know those who are moving money out of the country.
People are moving money out of the country.
Moving money to the Isle of Man. I'm stating locations. Isle of Man. To Mauritius. To the Canary Islands. To Guyana.
Hey,
Guyana. We know them and they are moving money. Look, even last week, one of them called a remittance person and said, look, a person who does remittances, look, I need to move 5 million. How can you move it? US dollars. Yes. Look, you can't live to enjoy that money.
Operation Recover.
You will not enjoy that money. And I'm glad that, you see, people said they don't know what came over President Mahama when he came to my constituency during his nationwide tour. When he came to my constituency, that day, he dropped a lot of bombs. That's the day he told Baumia he won't debate him because he knows his level. Yeah. That same day, for the first time, and that was the only time in 276 constituencies, President Mahama mentioned names of people who have questions to answer. Let your crew take the tape. He did 3 places in my constituency. He did Ningo, did Prampram, and Afia. Your crew was there. They should give you the clip from Prampram. You will hear President Mahama. He said, President Akufo-Addo, for 8 years, I have been a former president. I lived in Ghana. I didn't live outside the country. So if there was any prosecution or any questions you had to ask of me, I was here. Yeah. You will not go and live in the south of France.
Thank you. Thank you.
That mansion that has been built in the south of France will remain uninhabited. President Akufo-Addo must stay in Ghana to answer questions. That's right. President Mahama went ahead to mention Gabriel Tridaku as someone who needs to answer questions.
Absolutely.
Mention Ken Ofori-Atta as someone who needs to answer questions. Mention the one who suffered stroke in the UN. Yes, others will have questions to answer. You ask yourself, why today the board chairman of ECG who doubles as the leader of the mini minority in parliament, is seeking to pay a company of almost 270 million Ghana cedis.
I was there. Amamu enye kasa. Ena amamu enye propaganda. Amamu enye mpuetwa. Mo adwene ye mo se sebe ye ohuru ye nim kosoro ho. And you think that mo betimi akansem bia na mo afam ho adi. He so we ye Ghana ni a. Me pese me no mienu kan ye ho bom. Na ye katre Sam George. Any Okudzeto Ablakwa. Martin Kwegu. Any woman anu ka ora ne ho. Say woman some na woman kan we want to see action. And action now. 10 months into this administration, and someone can see amukai gold biaira, dollars biaira, obi discabi coin here. Hey, there's a Ghana for the politician maybe five sebi ta fight ye Jimmy for what they say. Sana mo fa God have mercy. Abusya? So
Okudzeto Ablakwa. The rate in mathematics on kai we say 21.19 billion no kesiye anase esum eche 1 billion US dollars. Abusia for it is possible. Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa, Foreign Affairs Minister, at the Nkratwa ba Magana for nyina say President Mahama kontu awetua okwa Mahama so akosiki investment e de aba country ma be boost Ghana's economy no. Okopiem e was Singapore abanya jatum say obe invest 1 billion US dollars e Ghana economy ni ama Ghana economy na fa nto ma pefre e be ye adwuma e be ye di betimi aye e de aboa Ghana bi on be ye e de aboa Ghana. Now they are saying about about say and this for the jibos re Ghana for nyina praise Mahama because akoko secure 1 billion US dollars investment. Me person me kai Okudzeto Ablakwa on the 10th of February 2025 and I was submitting oral Operation Recover All 2,417 cases. And I come President Mahama and Attorney General say NPP are buying in the last 8 years and call for risk corruption. Katasane proyamene into a buying way by your team committee of Ora. I do a chairman. Cases I would say na when you would come President Mahama. Now Oman is speech and answer all your press conference or church Ora and catch say out of 2,417 cases so I come President Mahama. CFM just 36 cases are over PDS, National Cathedral, SML, any other corruption related activities. You bet me I recover 20.9 billion US dollars. We no catch say we that 36 cases in flow. Now ko a state capture. Obi akoto cantonment dan ya bind dan. When Chiasika na was otua de sa e dan because an assassin because that bind was no. A bind e protect them marry Chiasika ketu bi. Say yetimi masan ko fo yo matoto a bind assassin a bind japade o man Chiasika na farm e Chiasika na so mo balance a bind na e no susike benya $702.8 million. So organize ga we mi enu bomo Okudzeto Ablakwa catch say we just 36 cases any state capture and one you bet me 21.19 billion US dollars. I bet me aboa Ghana yen ehunhia e magana se yenko IMF na chira ngwa IMF nkan che say freeze employment yen to electricity yenya bibia yan kase bet me 21.19 billion US dollars e wo Ghana bet me ya share e Ghana yen puntu mama de bibia CP ene Okudzeto say yen President Mahama because ora no man me ebesine just a single case out of the 36 cases yentimin di empunya one city free just a single case out of the many state capture cases yentimi endi empunya just a single pin free omo we this conquest document we call you say omba number start chief clearing agent omo clear man fa no mo so katazishane pro omo we Ghana susu na say abaye twa mu susu say omo fa kwati kwan bi so di Ghana sika omo fa mra kwan so na say sika de mo so mo fanya mo fanya enti de o masam e wo court na court e ye hwehwe mo ba no be clear ni Attorney General and no clear Japa or clear Japa we or be clear ato forcing or clear to we or clear quality order and or be clear Voma one and call for or clear and the storm snake or be clear Bank of Ghana governor what is Johnson is saying my clear no Ori ya Attorney General ba ye cases a odon so de bia ka na wo ho. And ye hu say atuasian cases say ye twem because so betima tua 60% no. Ye hu say eye kwabna before case we tua 60% aban so on for 40%. Say 60-40. Na sa sika ye ma na kuri. Sa sika ye ma na kwa ye twetwa cases mu say no kwai. Sa ka sa sika ni na keka bo man ke benya more than 1 billion na Okudzeto Ablakwa say na ye mo ye nsema President Mahama if you say akosiki $1 billion investment. Na me pesa me kan no bu sambe Okudzeto Ablakwa. The rate fin mathematics on kai we say 21.19 billion no kesiye anase esun eche $1 billion US dollars investment. And this was the President Mahama ye kind say ora no see the kan catch them say ebegu ya catch them Ghana for say ora de ebegu because ye nim pefe nim NDC for no mo betenem and ye nim chairman na ye de kwat na so nko ora chairman ye nim ne kasa ye nim ne said you see ya ne nema enti bi obi catch them say Okudzeto be faili as ora chairman me na nya me because na me support so be faili bi ye nyina ka bi no mo see yesuro because MPP for this country yesuro ora and ne bi say ora na akwakosi say from February this year ye ra September August ending ye wo mu ye ko September just a single case intimindi enti wono bo sami Okudzeto Ablakwa mema ye mbo ye nsema ma President Mahama because of secure $1 billion US dollars investment nembo kai unu za wangasa ufie no betime secure $21.19 billion US dollars.
Yabari be kan sem bi a ya na eye amanfo bebradwen se ye nheda mpe nipa bi asem ana ye mpe NDC fo asem enye NDC fo na ye mpe wo mo asem but wo nsem wo mo kan ye when they were in opposition and na ya na ye mu bi no ye pese ye ka Ghana fo esan se omo di ka trend say Ghana for there was short memory ti omo timi kase bia e de fa omo hodi some of us na sebe nyankopon adaroma memory no ye retentive no ye pesa abribia ye ka so that you may know the kind of people you voted for. Sam Nati George I am a dear semi dear honorable neighbor so the amount because said you when you were in opposition and he said you now would team penny flatten a sitting president, vice president, any penny be a benyan be a now chrome on internet. I am a dear semi dear honorable neighbor come on the amount. I do see Sam George in opposition that's right up to 2024 elections. I got now TV station baby can't send me put on send me more Nah, just take a watch.
Tell me Dr. Bawumia should be trusted. Was it not Dr. Bawumia who went and promised $1 million per constituency? Bobo, you are a member of parliament for Sekendi. I am the member of parliament for Ningo Pram Pram. I have not received a peswa. I am owed $7 million by Dr. Bawumia. He made that promise. The people of Ningo Pram Pram deserve their 7 million, and this year we must get the additional 1 million to make it $8 million. Either Bawumia lied, and so because he's a liar, we can't trust him.
Sam George, Minister for Communication, I'm from DSTV Minister or PR. Cecilia Yawo Waban, NDC Aban, and now Northern Development Authority for ESO. And the crack away about the today. Na extra sampa. Sa 1 million per constituency na ye kan waso no big no. It existed. Na mo kra no mo san ye ho adwuma. Sam George, over can say when you will be obeka say you people lie your way through power biano e yakene. And no bia obeka say ni bia e yakene. What you be gina national television so can say wo any constituency ho any all your constituents ne there mo fam weni kura hu na mo nti bi kura te sada once you know say na yesika $1 million US na ne be say wo any constituency na so assembly ni sa na mo akodi ni nyafu na mom it was invested into policies and other programs. In fact, projects as well. And infrastructure projects. But I don't blame you. Me blame NPP for now. Not on what communication number so. Not on what did that in you makubiano. Not on what about me at your moka. Now so one went to your next and answer Ghana for. Woman, I am blame you. I'm saying, Mr. Moon, Crawford, and what to about.
Chara wa comment section. How you Penyah Media. Accra.